Hello everyone, this is Fixed Maintenance College. I am Anthony. Today we will have course Lesson 12, iPhone X NFC Principle. The NFC function of iPhone X mainly used in Apple Pay, but after the system version of iOS 13, more functions of NFC are available. For example, you can use more functions by quick instruction. In China, people use NFC not much, so few people to notice the NFC ever. Even if he noticed, he will not spend money to fix it. Before the system version of iOS 12, NFC ever will cause mobile phone root error or system updating error. When the root bar is going to 80%, iTunes will show the error code 56. After the system version of iOS 12, if NFC is ever, the phone still can root, but the phone cannot be activated after rooting, because the NFC IC is encrypted. If it is broken, you can replace it, but the NFC function is unavailable. The NFC is in the down near PCB. This is NFC IC, but it isn't used much in China. Before the system version of iOS 13, there is few function in NFC, mainly be used in Apple Pay. If this NFC is ever, before the system version of iOS 12, when the root bar is going to 80%, iTunes will show the error code 56. After the system version of iOS 12, the phone can be rooted, but the phone cannot be activated after rooting. Many phones will suffer NFC circuit error after fail, and the NFC error will cause the phone run slowly or stuck after enter password. There are two conditions for NFC working: power and signal. 1. Power. EA is the power of PP VDD main. A4 is 1.8 voltage power of PMU. H3 is 5 voltage power of NFC power IC. 2. Signal. E3 is activating signal from NFC to PMU. H1 is starting signal from PMU to NFC. A2 is boost starting signal from NFC to NFC power IC. E1, D1, E2, and C3 are UART control lines from CPU to NFC. A1 is activating signal from CPU to NFC. D3 is data request signal from CPU to NFC. B1 is clock request signal from NFC to BB power supply. C8 is clock signal from BB power supply to NFC. A3 is verification information from NFC to SIM card. H5, GA, and H7 are antenna lines of NFC. This is NFC IC, and this is NFC power IC. iPhone X NFC repair idea. 1. Check 5 voltage power of NFC OK or not. If not, replace NFC 5 voltage power IC. 2. Take out NFC, check the shoulder of pad. If any lines broken, need to jump. 3. Replace new NFC component. 4. Save data and swap board in iPhone X. If you don't remove the original NFC component, NFC will not work. Now, let's check iPhone X repair cases reference. Case 1. iPhone X heavy fall, unable to activate after flashing. Failure phenomenon. The iPhone X fails to activate after flash the phone. Failure analyze. Generally, there are 3 cases where the mobile phone cannot be activated. 1. The baseband circuit is abnormal. 2. The Wi-Fi or BT code of the data in the NAND does not match the original machine. 3. NFC is abnormal. Solution. First, we click the exclamation mark in the lower right corner of the screen in the welcome interface to check that the IMEI code of the mobile phone information device is normal, indicating that the baseband circuit is normal. We move the motherboard and observe that there are no disassembly marks on the NAND, so eliminate the NAND problem. Finally, it may be determined that the NFC abnormality caused the mobile phone to fail to activate it. Laying the iPhone X and then prepare to repair the NFC circuit. When the motherboard was layered, it was found that the upper motherboard connection ports S166 and S171 dropped. According to the schematic, S166 associated circuit is UART AP to NFC TXD. S171 associated circuit is PMU to NFC EN. This open circuit NFC will not work properly. Jumper at the drophead point of the motherboard. Handle the pass and refresh and text. The file is perfectly solved. Case 2. iPhone X start after entering password. Failure phenomenon. According to customer description, the iPhone X is start after entering the correct password on the phone. Failure analyze. This problem usually occurs due to abnormal NFC circuit. Solution. First, we will lay the iPhone X motherboard and prepare to repair the NFC circuit. After the motherboard was layered, it was found that the port S171 in the middle layer of the upper motherboard dropped. According to the schematic, the associated circuit of S171 is PMU to NFC EN, which is the start signal from power IC to NFC. The disconnection of this circuit will cause the NFC to not work properly. Jumper the drophead port on the upper motherboard S171. Install and power up to text, and repair the file perfectly. Hello everybody. Today I would like to share a case about iPhone X NFC repair. Now we can see this PCB has been separated. Then we need to take out this IC. Set reverse station temperature to 430 degrees, airspeed to 80. Okay, the IC has been removed. Let's clean the pad. And then we check under microscope. Clean it by curtain. We will see the 4 missed pins. Next, make jumper in these 4 pins. First, scratch the PCB and show the lines. Clean the PCB up. Add tin. Then jump. Cut the lights off. Add tin one by one. The first one. The second one. The third one. And the last one. After jumper, clean them up. And then make the wire to coil one by one. Coil 1, coil 2, coil 3. Okay, now add the UV and make them interrelated. After that, report. Sometimes we will find that some pins of IC are bright, some pins are dark. Here is the solution. First, add the tin to the IC, and then use a bigger IC to rub with it. And hit it. Okay, done. Look at this. Smooth the tin, then rebore. Pass tin. Hit it. Done. That's it today. Thanks for watching. Okay, this is the course today. More repair cases, please check on our book, iPhone Maintenance Point and Inspire. I am Anthony. Let's meet next time. Bye.